Can't catch me! Whoa! Oof!
Got you, Lofty! Oh, what should we do now?
Why don't we build a sandcastle?
We've built lots of sandcastles already.
Maybe we could build something else out of sand. Like a sand boat. Oh, what about a sand chicken?
I know what we should build. A giant sand ice cream.
Yes!
Ta-da!
Well, that looks amazing.
Wow, you've worked so hard. I think you deserve a reward. Can anyone guess what it is?
A chicken? Oh, I think I know. Ice cream!